Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable quick launch on the Redmi 14C. Quick launch will allow you to quickly launch camera app by either double tapping on the power button or double tapping on volume down button. So, to do it, go to settings, then scroll down to additional settings, then gesture shortcuts, launch camera. And now you can either set it to double press the power button or double press volume down when the screen is locked. I'm gonna enable both of those and show you how they work. First, let's double press on the power button. This works in any conditions, so if your screen is locked or not, it will still work. You can see I double pressed on the power button and it opened the camera. Double pressing on volume down will only work when your screen is locked. So let me lock my screen. Then, when I double press on the volume down, it opens camera quickly. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.